Hey, how's everyone doing? Happy Thanksgiving. This is your friend, New York Dan. And I got a couple of friend birds on me shoulders, mates. We're watching the Thanksgiving Day parade today. How's everyone doing? Yeah, we got it on the screen here, over in the studio here. We're watching some Thanksgiving Day. Leslie's over. She's getting ready. Then we're gonna go over for Thanksgiving Day. What do you call it? Feast. Uh-oh. Stop, birds. All right, guys. Hey, hit the thumbs up. Your friend New York Dan. We just cracked the 10K mark. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. I'll put my fireside chat